Welcome students. I welcome all of you in our new video. In this video we will discuss about the exercise 9.3. I hope you are watching all the videos given on the entire and practice the given exercise. So here we have one more question. I am trying to give more practice for such geometrical type questions because for this some geometrical view is to be needed. That's why I am taking more problems on that. Please do watch the videos and try to solve the exercise. So here, dear students, the question is the diagonal AC and BD of quadrilateral. Right. Now here the quadrilateral is given ABCD and AC and BD. This AC and BD intersect. Okay. AC diagonal AC and BD of this quadrilateral, they will intersect this BD and AC. They will intersect at point O. This is given, and on the basis of that, this intersection at point O is in such a way that area triangle AOD is equal to area BOC. If this is like this, then we have to prove that ABCD is trapezium. Now dear students, it is given here AC and BD are, what are AC and BD, dear students? They are they are diagonals of quadrilateral and it intersect at O. The diagonals intersect at O. So in what way? In such a way that this area AOD is equal to area BOC. Area AOD is equal to area BOC. Now dear students, watch this AOD and BOC. This is given actually. It is given. Now here I make some addition. Okay. Observe this carefully. If I add here area AOB, I am adding this AOB to LHS. The same process is to be carried out on RHS. So area of BOC plus area of AOB. Dear students, AOD and BOC, in this result we are adding AOB, this upper triangle, AOB to LHS and AOB to RHS. Now dear students, tell me area of AOD plus area of AOB, AOD plus AOB is equal to what? this total triangle. Area of ABD, right? And area of BOC, this BOC, area of BOC plus area of AOB again. Now dear students, tell me, area of BOC plus area of AOB, it will give area of this triangle, correct? Area of ABC. Now we have one more result here. Area of ABD is equal to area of ABC. Now dear students, tell me here, above triangles, lies on same base and are of equal area. Now here please watch this statement very carefully. We are trying to say that the above triangles, in above triangles, these triangles lie on the same base. They are lying on the same base, right? ABD and ABC. Base is common here. They are lying on the same base. We can call this as AB and areas are equal. So they must lie between same parallels, right? If areas of two triangles are equal and they are lying on the same base, it guarantees that they must lie between the same parallel. Now tell me dear students, here what are the parallel sides? AB parallel to, correct, CD. AB parallel to CD. Now here AOD is equal to BOC, this result is given, and AB is equal to CD, this is also given, and the diagonals intersect at point O. So by using property, it is correct. Trapezium. By property of trapezium, the diagonals intersect at point O and AB parallel to CD. So by property, it is the trapezium. Now dear students, hence we prove that ABCD is the trapezium. Here we have to just utilize the result and we are adding AOB, right? So we get this. And this is one of the important property, that if triangle lies on the same base and their areas are equal, then they must lie between the same parallel. They must lie between the same parallel. That's why parallels are equal. Okay. So AB is parallel to CD, and hence by property we can say that it is trapezium. Now moving on to our next question here. Next question is given that in figure A, area of DRC is equal to area of DPC. Now this is given and this more result is given, that is area of BDP is equal to area of ARC. These two results are given, and we have to show that ABCD this one, and DCPR, this one, they are trapezium. Now dear students, here let us consider the result. Let we are considering the first result. Let it is given that area of DRC is equal to area of DPC. Area of DRC is equal to area of DPC. DRC and DPC. Consider these two triangles. Now their areas are equal. It is given. Since areas of DRC and DPC, areas of DRC and DPC, they are equal. Now DRC and DPC. Now tell me dear students, what is the common base here? DRC and DPC, in these two triangles, what is the common base that we are using here? Exactly, it is DC and lies on same base DC. Okay, now areas are equal and they are lying on the same base DC. What does it mean? If the areas of two triangles are equal and they are lying on the same base, means they must lie between the same parallel, right? So they must lie between the same parallel. Okay, this means what? DC equal RP and DC is parallel to RP. Now by property, it is trapezium. We are using this result that is given to us. Area of DRC is equal to area of DPC. Now areas are equal. DRC and DPC, they are equal. That is given. Now areas are equal and they lie on the same base DC. Right. So if areas are equal and they are lying on the same base, it means that they must lie between the same parallel. This result is used here also, right? So by property of trapezium, it is trapezium. Means ABCD is a trapezium. Now this is one result. Now secondly, we have to show that DCPR is also a trapezium. Now dear students, where is DCPR? DCPR. This is also trapezium. Okay. Now we use this second result, right? It is given that area of BDP is equal to area of ARC. Right? Now where is BDP dear students? BDP, this, and ARC. Now in this BDP, if I subtract, dear students, watch this carefully. In this left hand side, I am going to subtract this triangle. Which triangle? In BDP, I am going to subtract this lower triangle, minus area of DPC is equal to, again in right hand side, area of ARC. Where is ARC, dear students? ARC. Now here I am separating this lower triangle, DRC. DRC. Now tell me, dear students, we are making some adjustment here. Using the second result, I am subtracting DPC from this triangle, BDP. In BDP, I am subtracting DPC, and again in RHS, ARC, I am subtracting DRC. Now, if we subtract BDP minus DCP, dear students, from BDP we are subtracting this DPC, then what we get? BDC, exactly. BDC, right? Now, in area ARC, from this area we are subtracting DRC. Now tell me, from this ARC we are subtracting DRC, and what will we get? Correct. Area of ADC. Now dear students, tell me, what are the results here? Area of BDC means this. BDC is equal to area of ADC. Now tell me here, since area of two triangles are equal. If areas are equal, now tell me, what is the common base, dear students, here? BDC and ADC. Now tell me, what is the common base? Correct. DC is the common base. And lies on same base. The base is DC. Same base DC. And therefore they must lie between same parallel. So what are those? AD is parallel to CD. From this result, AD is parallel to CD. Now dear students, by property of trapezium, ABCD is trapezium. AD is parallel to CD. This AB is parallel to CD. AB is parallel to CD. Hence, ABCD is the trapezium. So, by using the result, we can conclude that it is trapezium. Dear students, we are utilizing here two different results. We are proving two different results. One, we have to show that ABCD is a trapezium, and in next result, DCPR is also trapezium. So we are proving the both results. ABCD is also trapezium. This is proved, and this DCPR is also trapezium. Sorry, DCPR. So let me make correction. So DC parallel to PR. DC parallel to PR. Hence, DC PR is trapezium. Okay. This side is parallel to this side, and by property it is trapezium that we have showed here. And in this, AB is parallel to CD, and by property of trapezium, ABCD is also trapezium. So dear students, I hope you observe all the video till the end. Please watch the video very carefully till the end and solve the exercises given on it. Keep watching and keep practicing. All the best. Thank you.